At Carepatron, we are constantly looking at ways to improve. If you have any feedback on how we can improve our videos and resources, please leave us a comment in the comment section below. The 30-day fruit and vegetable diet plan is a nutritionally rich approach to improving health and achieving weight loss goals. This vegetarian and vegan diet plan emphasizes the consumption of nutrient-dense foods, incorporating a variety of fruits, vegetables, and plant-based options. Structured for both health benefits and weight loss, the plan focuses on a balanced intake of high-protein vegetarian sources. It includes green beans, zucchini noodles, and green smoothies to promote a plant-based diet. Incorporating minimally processed foods and whole foods ensure a wholesome approach to eating, promoting overall wellness. One of the key features is the inclusion of healthy fats sourced from items like avocado, nuts, and olive oil. This not only aids in weight loss but also provides essential nutrients for the body. The plan discourages the consumption of fruit juices and instead encourages the intake of whole fruits, ensuring that natural fibers are retained. The diet plan also allows for flexibility, accommodating various eating habits while promoting mindful choices. The benefits of having a vegetarian and vegan diet plan include weight loss. Emphasizing whole nutrient-dense foods and minimizing processed options creates a calorie deficit, leading to weight loss. Heart health. Rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and plant-based proteins, this diet lowers cardiovascular disease risk by reducing cholesterol and avoiding saturated fats. Nutrient intake. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, this diet meets daily nutrient needs and prevents deficiencies with a variety of colorful produce. Energy levels. Nutrient-rich foods boost energy and vitality, providing sustained energy and avoiding crashes from processed foods. Digestive health. High fiber content from fruits, vegetables, and whole grains promote regularity, nourishes gut bacteria, and reduces the risk of digestive issues. In this diet, the foods you can eat are fruits, vegetables, whole grains, protein sources, healthy fats, and beverages like water and herbal teas. The foods you should be avoiding are processed foods like snacks high in added sugar and unhealthy fats, refined grains like white bread and pasta, animal products such as ground meat and fish, sugary drinks, and refined sweeteners. Here are the steps to use our 30-day fruit and vegetable diet plan. This basic template can also be used with our other vegan and vegetarian diet plans, which you can find in our Carepatron library. First, initial assessment. Begin by evaluating your current eating habits and health goals. Identify areas for improvement and set realistic targets for weight loss and overall wellness. Meal planning. Utilize the provided meal plan to structure your daily food intake. Ensure each meal contains a balance of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats to maximize nutrient intake. Next, portion control. Pay attention to portion sizes to avoid overeating, especially with calorie-dense foods like nuts and avocados. Use measuring cups, food scales, or visual cues to gauge appropriate serving sizes. Hydration. Stay adequately hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Opt for herbal teas or infused water for added flavor without extra calories or sugar. Physical activity. Regular exercise in your routine enhances weight loss and improves overall fitness levels. Aim for a combination of cardiovascular activities, strength training, and flexibility exercises for optimal results. Monitoring progress. Keep track of your food intake, physical activity, and weight loss progress throughout the 30 days. Adjust your approach to stay on track with your goals and maintain motivation. Here is a sample of our 30-day fruit and vegetarian diet plan to give you an idea on how you can use this at your practice. To discover more of our free templates, explore our templates library, which you can find on our Carepatron website linked in the description below. Carepatron is a practice management software known for its comprehensive features. Signing up is free, just click on the sign up link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like and subscribe button for more content like this.